In the heart of the morning, under the breaking dawn, starts a day in the life of a Ford-Tech, weary and worn. Intermittent concerns like ghosts in the machine. Hours turn to days, still the cause remains unseen. Broken bolts resist, they won't come out with ease. Customers irate, their anger hard to appease. Service managers push co-workers hard to please. In the midst of it all, I search for my peace. But when the day seems lost and all hope seems gone, I remember why I'm here, why I carry on. For every boat that breaks, every problem unsolved is a challenge to be met, a puzzle to be resolved. The sun climbs high, the day wears on, a car on the lift, the mystery goes on. Then a moment of clarity, the answer comes clear, the problem solved, I let out a cheer. For every day that starts off with a horrible theme, ends with the joy of a well-oiled machine. The triumph of a job no one else could do, that's the reward for a Ford-Tech true. So here's to the Ford-Techs working day and night, turning lost causes into victories bright. Though the day may start horrible, all may seem lost, with perseverance and skill we conquer at all costs.